guys, my name is Mr. Op Reaction. Op Reaction sinazungumzia hii track interview yangu na Musi hapa ifikwanele yopushiwa bana bamkala ifikwanele track ya MickeyBlack Ovja Road Kid Venda. So yeah man, obviously okay, I think the beat yetu anga funky beat, the way the guy is pushing it, you can tell that the beat is made by him. So hey man, let's stop there. Let's stop right there. So so hey man, let's go.
Benji got the juice, so
Benji got the juice. So yeah, he's the producer of the song. He made the beat. So let's go. And for those who don't know who MickeyBlack is, so if you scroll down, you can find it. Track MickeyBlack, so you can just go and find it and see so how good she is when it comes to vocals.
You got the fire, boy.
So now I'm confused. Because you got the fire, boy. That's a Crosswave slogan, and of a funky beat. So maybe funky beats, they did the beat together, or more producer, more either beat more this like other stuff. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, Emma Doda Savela, Emma. I think it's Loyiso his name. Something like that. But yeah, the vocals, man. MickeyBlack, she's great. The beat, the chorus, I'm loving it. Let's go. I just hope my board Kid Venda that doesn't disappoint. Let's go. You know, it's beat like this now that the phone comes in a rapper, but like it's so fun with flow out the bad. But let's go there.
Enough is enough. 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 Enough is enough now. Enough is enough. Enough is enough now. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Soze ndibuyele muva ngoba bendihlupheka. Soze ndibuyele muva ngoba bendilila every night, bendilila every day. Hayikhona sindikhathele ndithi kwanele manje. Ndiyazi ngeke baqede so ndizinceda myself. It's long they've been watching me ndihlupheka ndiyaphela bit by bit.
Guys, we need to protect MickeyBlack at all costs. MickeyBlack, like, let's protect her, man. This girl, she's great. This girl, she's good, man. Like, her vocals are on point all the time. Let's go. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough, enough is enough. Enough is enough, no, enough is enough, enough is enough, no, enough is enough. Enough is enough, enough is enough.
Okay, that's what Kid Venda. Hey, auto tune. I don't know photo tune. Let's go.
Enough is enough.
I hope it's gonna flow. I hope it's not gonna like do like this the whole verse. I hope, like, please God, I hope so. Please, let's go. Okay, or change a flow, but when I say flow, I'll like yeah, but let's go, man. Like or change a flow, so let's hope this one is gonna go. It's gonna pace. Let's go.
Angeke ngithinta abafazi ngoba ngiyabathanda angeke ngithinta abafazi ngoba siyafana angeke ngithinta abafazi no 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 angeke ngithinta abafazi I will make sure I don't wanna be the victim I don't wanna say you're the man killing innocent.
So he changed the flow again, but still I still want, you know.
I don't wanna be the victim. I don't wanna say you're the man killing innocent mothers and children. What are you gonna go with your logic? What's the one you're gonna do so? Pagamono yara industry come back. We don't gotta waste no time. We gotta take action. We don't gotta waste time. Let's take action.
You know, I don't know because MickeyBlack, né? She's a singer. She was singing and they were singing. I expected like for that diversity on the song, né? Or like he said great, and then it was like okay, snippet of it, and then you know, flow, ngongwana, né? Because going back to mange Mike, so each danga like for that diversity. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I needed like him to just drop, you know, those lines, those, you know, those kind of like freestyle ngongwana, because this flow, I get it why he did like this because the flow now was like it goes from the versatility. I would okay, man, I'm not just good at this kind of freestyle. I'm also good like at this kind of singing. But I feel like on this song, I don't know if you have to bring a new dynamic. If our Jena nganandela jinangayo, but after change the flow, when you switch it up, it goes aya, and then each of the verse I mean I switch up to the first one. But I feel like that diversity. If I don't know if you understand what I mean, but I feel like I don't that, you know, diversity that change. Beat a flow like the beat was good for him to just go and kill it. Because now Moses we saw. You compare him and then you compare MickeyBlack. You compare the verse, yeah, MickeyBlack and compare the verse, yeah. Okay, MickeyBlack killed him. Because of like you expected something like this and you didn't expect him to like just flow, which is great. Ngoli no expect to come with the R words flow. Mara. Sometimes you have to check a song. What can I do to change like the dynamic of the song to make the song, you know, more interesting? So I don't know if I'm sure Root Kid will understand the Kamba Zone. I'm sure Fanji Beats will understand. I'm sure MickeyBlack will understand. Because I don't know what was going on studio. Comes to the with okay, man, let's just flow like this. Like let's make the song more touchy and stuff. Mara. And I'm just giving my idea. Okay, I think of now it as Root Kid Venda, you know. But let's get to his verse. His verse is good, amazing. I'm just disappointed, just disappointed because I expected him to like change the nature of the song, like to change it, like to bring that new diversity. Because I don't think and then he's a rapper, he's coming there and he's gonna rap, and then all the stuff. His verse is good, but I feel like it could. I feel like I can still be wrong, but I feel like it could have been better if Road Kid over Ojena at Orwa, the flow, the flow that rap, who's the hate, that's all. But yeah, man, let's go. Let's finish the last.
Kwanele, 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 kwanele.
Vanji beats at the end, so I think Vanji beats na ntukushimisana bote na Chibwena crosswave kushimisana pano you got the fireboy and stuff. So yeah, man, apart from Zonda Ziyamba Lazarus Kid, I don't have any dispute on the song. But I would still love to hear version when I would come see Road Kid Auto ya a rap up a bit. Like to prove me wrong, man, guys. I feel like you have to try. I don't know. You don't have to prove me wrong, yes, but I feel like no man. Like I feel like I would want to hear a version that would Road Kid Auto a raw flow. Well, I try to rap straight, but other than that. The song is beautiful, amazing. I can give it like 8 out of 10 or 8.5. 8.5 or to 8 out of 10. I like 8.9. Beautiful message. MickeyBlack, my girl, you got it, and we gotta protect you at all costs. You are good, good vocals, good flows. Everything about you in this song was very, very amazing. I'm impressed. Man, what am I gonna say? Ndifuna amanda ndifuna uproma nge Mr. Operation ndikobatangaza ndipaka Operation inda. Chabatanganedza mani kuri bati goodbye ndibafuna ngamanda tiri basungwangu zori hey robisa track it if you don't test me nevanga vai check down hanepo vadipinanga yena kuri hey angeka Spotify inotsa 2000 streams but hey no one is bragging.